What's good, YouTube? This is Double O with Astro. Today I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I wanted to hop on camera to show you a Herculist Plus review, and I want to show you what you can do with this platform. One of the things that I learned was, you want to get traffic everywhere you could possibly can because, traffic is the key to growing on your online business, and it's the key to get more eyeballs and more targeted people to, see what you're offering. And when they like what you're giving out, and if it's something that's value, they take into it and they can purposely come up under you and join with you, with something that you're giving out. That's why it's good to have something that can basically help people. And with this system, it allows you to do that. It's a whole bunch of features that they have that I use. I usually use the ad mailer, but today I'm focused more on the herculistreview. Now, this is something that a lot of people don't tell you with the herculistreview, but they're very powerful when you think about it. As you can see on the side, you see these little tabs right here that just pop up like when you load up into Herculist Plus. They pop up on the side, and they also pop up on all parts of this platform. And also you can see at the bottom they also have Herculistreview 2 down at the bottom. Now you can use these to get credits, and this is a traffic exchange. So when you view other people's opportunities, as you see right here, you will also have credits that return back to you, so you can be able to show your opportunity. And you can see this is how many that I have left. Just by seeing this, you get like 35 credits a piece, and this is when you at the gold level, because it's 3 different levels. You got the free level, you got the pro level, you got the gold level, and they show you how many credits that you get with each level that you upgrade to. Now, starting at the free level, you get 5 credits. The pro level, you get 15 credits, and at the gold level, you get 35 credits. That's per ad that you view. So all of these are ads of people actually posting all of their businesses, and you can put as many as you want as long as you have credits. You also could buy what you call these things called the keys, so you could purchase to be able to post these herculistreviews. And I have been getting incredible results with this. I've been looking on, in my back office. This is what I use. I use the Leads Leap, as you can see right here, and that link will be in the description below. Leads Leap can help you track all of your businesses that's coming through, and they give you your own. You get your own text links. You get your own links that people could click on, so you can be able to track, and you can see the people that's coming through. And I'm gonna show you what type of results that I've been given. Now, as you can see, that was Herculist. Now I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. And I track everything. I track all of my stuff. I even track banners. So, tracking things helps you to be able to know what's working and what's not working. So it's good to track things. So as you can see, I'm gonna go back up to Herculist. Let's see. Okay, this is one of my pages right here with Herculist. And as you can see, when I hit up the statistics, it pulls up all the traffic that I'm getting from. So this is different traffic from, all the different opportunities that I'm a part of to get traffic to my business. Very, very useful. I can show you something else. This is another opportunity that I'm a part of. You see, I get banners, herculistreview. See this? I had put my herculistreview opportunity in there. 94 total, 94 unique, 71. Look at all that traffic. This is real people. So this goes to show you that this works. And all you got to do is just keep on, clicking on the ad. As you can see, first I'm going to show you that you can submit a herculistreview. All you got to do is hover over to the top. When you hover to the top, you're going to click on herculistreview. Once you click on that, that's going to show you. And it's a tutorial that, tells you everything you need to know about the herculistreviews. and what they are. And if you want to start submitting one, you're going to click over here onto this submit button. Submit your blurb. Okay. So you got two ways you can do this. Now the actual regular way is just the regular submit, which you can get 500 credits. If you got 500 credits, you can send one Herc blurb. Now, what I usually do is I just get the power blurb. And with the power blurb, it's going to hit you about 1,000 credits you're going to be using. And you're going to receive 40 power blurb exposures, which means this not only going to be in that Herc blurb section, but it's also going to be shown throughout all of different pages. And when people start logging in into their profile, your Herc blurb could be in rotation to be shown to so many people that logs in. So that's how powerful this platform is. And you know, I can say that Herculist Plus is one of the best traffic exchanges that I have used, because number one, it's free to start up. But I do advise you to upgrade just a one-time fee of $49, just one time. And you get to have this for life. So think of how incredible that is, especially if you low on budget and you don't have a lot of money for paid advertisement. This could be very cost efficient for you. So I would definitely use Herculist Plus to be able to draw traffic to my business. And you can do this for free. And you know, if you want to spend a couple dollars to boost up your traffic to get it coming through as, you know, more fast and efficient, I would, you know, spend a few dollars, you know, to actually get that traffic, because you want to get as much exposure and as much eyeballs to your opportunities, because that is the lifeblood of your business. So that's how you do that. Now, after you set up your Herculist, what you're going to do is you're going to put in your affiliate link or whatever you promoting, and then you're going to type out the body. Okay. And there's two ways you can do this. Now, you can use either put it in the HTML format, or I believe you could put it in plain, I believe. But, you know, once you submit that, it could go in the back office, because in case you can use the same email, the same Herc blurb that you used before if you hit resubmit previous. And it's going to have all your recent Herc blurbs that you promoted. You know, so you're gonna see a lot of these ads pop up because, you know, people present them. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna resubmit one of mine that I had. As you can see, I'm gonna click on resubmit blurb, and you're gonna see, you know, right here's my opportunity. And what I usually do is with the program with 𝗖cie, you know, I can have my own, you know, I can track everything. So I usually date it. So today is the 23rd. Okay. So when I track and look up, you know, my information, I know where it came from. Then I hit submit. And then you can see it. You can view it right here. So it's going to pull up. You see, make 300 a day on autopilot. And if I wanted to, I could buy a key just to get credits. And if you want to start earning credits, what you're going to do is you're going to hit earn credits. And you also can, you click right here. See, this is my Herc blurb right here. It's already in the first slot. And you can put as many as you can as long as you got credits. Your stuff could even pop up right here. This is the power blurb. This is where it pops up everywhere. Okay. So if people want to check out, see, I already got 2 views already. So people come through this and see your opportunity very, very fast. So I hit on click here. And you see, I even get credits just viewing my own website, I believe. You see, 35. And this is my own website right here. You hit click next. You see, I'm getting 35. And also, when you are a gold member, you don't have to wait as long. I believe it's 15 seconds, I believe, if you're a free member to see the next ad. But when you're a gold member, it's only a 5-second time difference. And as you can see, it's going to the next opportunity you see. And these are people that, once again, these are people that's putting up their opportunities so you can see in exchange you could be able to earn credits. So if this video have done some good to you, be sure to leave your comments in the comment section. If you would like to join with me with Herculist Plus, the link in the description will be below. Also, if you would like to have your own funnel, your done for you emails, you have your own autoresponder and everything like that that you need to be able to brand your business, click on that link. The link will be in the description below. It's called Leads Leap. You want to check that out and head over there because, you know, that's very, very cheap to get and to use. If you have any questions, just leave your, hit me up on social media. That link in the description will also be below, okay? And also like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos, tips, tricks, and strategies that I use for my daily marketing operations. And I could definitely help you and give you some of the free points that I use, and the free strategies I use to actually grow my business and to grow my email list. All right, so that's what I wanted to show you guys today. Thank you for watching. This is 00 with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.